People who have been caught having a fun time by their parents. What happened afterwards? Got caught banging my best friend's stepsister in her car, in the driveway when I was 17. It was my grandmother that caught us. We were parked under a bright SHPS light that was on the front of my granddad's shop, with the door open, like the stupid, horny teens we were. I'm going to town, and I hear a smack on the windshield. My grandma is standing there with a furious look on her face, and screams at the top of her lungs, "Just what the hell are you doing?" I look up with what I can only guess is a horrified and confused look on my face, with my neon white ass exposed, and say, "What the hell does it look like I'm doing?" I pull out, and sprint to the house, jump in my bed and pull the covers over my head. Needless to say, there was a very awkward breakfast the next morning. A few months later, I'm on my way out the door to take the same girl to prom, and she hands me a few 20s wrapped around a strip of rubbers. She looks me in the eyes, smiles a big toothy grin, and says, "Now, don't spend it all in one place, son." My grandma is a effing legend.